Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and I'm back with another custom drawing, this time for Shannon Cook. He contacted me a while ago and wanted a big drawing of the badass Bardock, the father of Goku. Let's get right into it guys. Hit like, subscribe, and then we can enjoy the drawing process together. Let's go. So guys, there we have the final result. Bardock in his base form, charging an attack just like in his first appearance in Dragon Ball Z, but is drawn in my style, as always. As you can see, I drew him in space and I tried to draw the planet Vegeta in the background, which is about to explode. All of that on an A3 size paper in portrait mode, which took me a lot of hours to finish. I think it turned out pretty good, guys. What do you think? Again, big shoutouts to Shannon Cook for this amazing commission. I really appreciate the support. If you also want to get a custom drawing just like this, contact me over Instagram or email me at arttolg@gmail.com. And big shoutouts to my editor, which has edited all the videos and reels over the last weeks. Big thanks, man. And if you wonder about the real-time drawing videos, from now on, they will be released on Patreon. I got one supporter on Patreon right now, but I hope more of you will support me over there as well. Link below, guys. And I wanted to take the chance to see how much I've improved in the past 5 years. This is a Bardock which I drew in 2016. It is actually a pretty good drawing, but I kept it very simple back then. But this was the time where I started to find my own art style. As you can see, I already used 2 layers of ink, and I also drew my characters much more muscular back then. If we compare both drawings, we can see a huge difference, especially on the coloring. But also the line work is way smoother today, and overall the new drawing is much more professional in all aspects. I think it's a good art progress for 5 years. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like, subscribe if you are new, and comment below what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.